Hello my wonderful lazy dancers, welcome to Lazy Dance Tips. I'm Alessia. Today ready for you, I've got a super quick stretch for anyone that is busy, is just finished their workout, or if you've just finished your ballet class. And remember, if you need any more insights and guidance on how to work on a path towards your ballet steps, ballet fit, even if you're doing ballet fitness, this is perfect. I've got for you the beginner's ballet course where I get you from A to Z to a beautiful dancing ballerina at home. But I know you're busy and I know you want to get on with this, so here we are, quick stretch for you, ready, find a mat and let's stretch. Here we go, let's start with our stretch. So we're gonna start right away after you've done your class, your workout, whatever it is, it's the theme this time around. Okay, so from here we're gonna start up onto our sit bones. Very good. We're gonna take our arms up and we're gonna go and roll all the way down. Very good. Breathe in and stay down there. Stretch and breathe. Keep your nose down towards the floor between your legs. And then from there, stay there. Don't look at me. I'm just gonna tell you what to do. I can see you. Yeah, don't look at me. From there, your hands are right next to your feet, very good, or next to your calves, whatever they are. I'd love them to be up and beyond your calves, to be honest, so they're nicely elongated. From there, you're just gonna stay in this position and you're going to flex your feet, breathing in, and pointing both your feet and breathe out. Oh, very good. And again, flex your feet, breathe in and breathe out and point your feet. Very good. And again, breathe in, flex your feet, breathe out, point your feet. Very good. Breathe in, flex your feet, breathe out, point your feet. Very good. Come back up and breathe and go back down there. We're gonna repeat the same thing. So breathe in, flex your feet, breathe out, point your feet, and again flex your feet and point and breathe out. Very good. Flex your feet, breathe in and point and breathe out. Very good. Flex your feet, breathe in and breathe out. Point your feet, roll back up. From there, turn towards me. Aha. Flex one foot. Aha. From there, take the outside of the foot and open up that chest. So we open and we stretch the upper body as well. Very good. From here, we take the leg towards us and then the leg goes back to where it was and it takes us down a little bit more. Very good. And again, breathe in and out. Very good. And in and breathe out and let it go. One more time, breathe in and breathe out and let it go. Very good. Roll up, come back towards me. Back to the center, point the foot. Very good. Away from me. Aha. Flex the opposite foot. Very good. Look, mom, I can take my foot. Very good. Open up your chest, feeling the twist. Very good. From there, look up at the ceiling, whoever is out there. Nice. Flex your foot, your leg, and breathe and stretch and open up even more. Very good. And again. And breathe out and let your leg take you down. Very good. And again, breathe in and breathe out again. Very good. And breathe in and breathe out. Nice. Roll back up onto the side. Back in, point your foot and release. From here, take one leg. Yes. Take it to 90 degrees. The other one stays there. Nice. From here, look at me. Find the twist. We're gonna go down towards our leg, reaching towards the corner, opening up the chest, feeling the stretch, coming back, rolling back up, and again, out towards the front, find the corner, up and over, and down. It's pretty much like a pretty splattered on the floor. Very good, up and over, feel the stretch, nice and mobilizing, very good, keep pressing down, up and over, and up, one last one, and up, around, find the corner with the other hand, good, opening up the chest, opening up the arms, very good, grab your leg, take it back in, other leg, slap it nicely, take it 90 degrees to the back, and you're gonna go up and over, stretch towards the leg, find the corner, keep on rolling, and come back, rolling up, and again, stretch it down, find the corner, open up, and down, coming back up, roll, 2 more, find every single corner in the room, come back in, roll back up, so no cheating. You're gonna go to the corner, to the other corner, to the foot, high foot, all the way, corner, corner, starting, coming back to the first corner, yeah, and rolling back up. Again, grab your leg, bring it back in, very nice. This time, take this closer to your legs, yes, so knee, almost knee to knee, and then gently come and roll down. If this is a bit too much for you, find the position where you can stretch but your knee is not compromised. Yes, very good. Out there, gorgeous. If you instead want an extra stretch, the bottom foot, which is that one down there that is not doing anything, you take it, you put it on top, and you let the leg rest. You can do this at the beach, yeah, at some point, or on the balcony when it's warmer on this side of the country. Yes, very good. Bring it back down, gently come back up, take your leg back in, 2 legs, double of the fun, knee to knee, very good, gently coming down, very good, find the stretch in the quad, shouldn't be anywhere around the knee, pinching of the knee, be really mindful whenever you're stretching, yes, or when you're exercising, very good. From here, if you want an extra stretch, leg up and find the extra stretch or extra pain, as long as it's good. It has to be good pain. Very good. Breathe. Core is always engaged. Don't let this happen. Yes. Very nice. Breathe. Come back out nicely, gently. Coming back up and in front. Very good. Come out towards the front. Wherever your split is, take it out there. If it's here, okay. If it's splattered, fine. Yes. So again, I want you to find those sit bones. Yes, wherever they are, so you're not arching and you're not sitting down here. Yes, I want you to have your feet nicely pointed. Yeah, very good. And again, we're gonna go out, flex onto the side and coming back, changing, flex to the side and pointing back. And again, flex to the side and up. Knees going high ceiling, coming back down. And again, up, up, and down, up, and down. Very good. One more stretch, up here. Again, don't let this happen. Nicely core, abdominals engage. From here, nicely stretch towards one side. Very good. The other hand feeds down onto the front. Very good. So you can have palm down, palm up, whatever suits you best. Yeah, from here, we're gonna flex into the side. But again, sit bones are onto the ground. Yeah, don't lift it. Sit bones onto the ground. Knees up, and then we press and we point it to the floor. And again, up here. And point. And up here. And point. Up here, breathe in. And breathe out. And every time you breathe out, you should feel the release even more. Yeah, very good. Up the other way. Find the stretch. The sit bone is onto the ground. Feeding the bottom arm, going towards the opposite foot. Palm down if you wish. Very good. From here we go. Flex and breathe out and point. And again, flex. And breathe out and point. And again, flex. Breathe out and point. And flex. Breathe out and point. Very good. Gently come back up. Nice. From here, find a little bit of space. We are going to lift up. And because I know you're going to roll your knee forwards, we're gonna do this. We're gonna take our hands down, we're gonna flex our feet and our knees, and they're gonna be pointing up there. And from here, like a book, we're gonna now start nicely crawling, like spider feet. Spider arms, spider hands, spider hands, spider hands. They're gonna keep crawling over there. Very good. From here, pull your elbows down, and we're gonna press down a little bit more. Very good. Breathe in. And breathe out. Oh, very good. And again, breathe in and breathe out. And breathe in. Every time you breathe in and you breathe out, you should feel the muscles relaxing and stretching and leaning towards the ground even more. Again, don't let the hips go backwards. Yes. And the sit bones going towards the back, because then our knees are gonna roll forward. Yes. That's where we need to find the rotation. Very good. From there, wherever you are, if you want to go a little bit deeper, if you want to go a little bit lower, feel free to do so. And again, I still want you to find that the knees are still facing up towards the ceiling. And we are going to stay here, have a nice chat. No, you're going to be breathing. Very good. You're going to be breathing with me. So breathe in and breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. This time, we're going to breathe in and flex our feet. And breathe out. Point your feet. And again, breathe in and breathe out and point your feet. Very good. From here, nicely, gently, spider fingers, spider fingers, spider fingers, coming up all the way. Very good. Shaking your legs nicely, gently, coming back in, giving a little bit of a shaky dance. Very good. One last is going to be leg up. So we're gonna stretch our bum as well from here. Yes, you can either have this bent knee in front of you or completely flex down. Doesn't matter as long as you're not here. Yeah, I still want you to be nicely elongated up there, super tall, and we're gonna go down. Very good. Wherever your hands can go, can stretch alongside your extended leg. Very good. And breathe. And stretch. Coming back up. One thing I want you to do is from here, lift your leg, feel the muscle tense, and then from there, release again. Good. Coming back up one more time. Engage the muscles, engage the muscles, engage the muscles, and all the way down again. Very good. One. Last time, up, and release. all of it, very good. Coming back up, roll up, hair at the back, change leg, other way, again, breathe in and breathe out. Very nice, stay there for a moment, feel the stretch, feel the release, very good. From there, breathe in, coming back up and breathe out. Ready to lift our leg, and again, feel the muscles, the core, the leg, the everything. Coming in and you release all the way down. Very good. One more time, coming back up. Use your muscles, engage your muscles, very good. And then you release it all the way down. Beautiful. One more time, coming up. Engage the muscles, engage everything, very good. And release down. And then roll back up. Take your leg, release it down, come back into the center, sit onto your heels. We're just gonna have a nice gentle stretch to the side again. Breathe out to the side. From there, rolling forward, rolling back up into the center. Good. Up and over, stretch to the side, sitting onto the side, very good. Roll forward, coming back up into the center. Nice. One more time, one last each side, up and over, stretch to the side. Gorgeous. Roll back forward, come back up. Nice. Up and over and stretch. You find that there's probably one side that is more mobile than the other, yes? So if you find that there is that side that is a bit, just release and look after it a little bit more, yeah? Rolling forward, coming back up, very good. Sit down, cross legs, give it a good shake, and beautifully, beautifully, beautifully done.